Hello, my name is Garrett Andrews, and this presentation is on the human element. Sorry I sound like this. I am very sick right now, in case you couldn't tell, but yeah, so sorry in advance. My best moment was the scene of the helicopter dropping fire, so it could burn the future food of the current fire in order to save it, because it's weird. Usually you see them dropping water to stop a fire, but you never see them dropping fire to stop a fire. But it does make sense, because if a fire can't eat, then it'll die. Another one of my favorite moments from it was the thin air experiment with the balloon. I like that because obviously as a kid we played the balloon game a lot. But I also found it really interesting how it could basically get up to space in a half an hour. I think he said 90,000 feet in half an hour. That's crazy. And the camera survived. That was also pretty cool. And we're talking about streets flooding and how all the houses, the newer ones, always built higher because to accommodate in case of flood. And that's just crazy because I never actually look at houses like that. I just think it's part of the design, not a safety feature. I thought White Lake, that bridge, had it bad, connecting Whitehall and Montague. That's what I always think of when I think of flooding, but that ain't nothing compared to those houses that have to be built up so high. I added this slide because I thought it'd help. I just went to a thing and pulled out some ones I liked that they provided, how to limit the impact. Use your voice. You have to inform people of the negative impact. Pretty simple to do. They also listed you can work on behalf of political candidates to propose new climate laws. That's harder to do, but it's not too bad. And get involved in nonprofit organizations to help the environment, which is easy. Change your choices. Support local companies that have sustainable energy practices like solar panels, recycling, and composite bins. And research your own carbon footprint and make it smaller. I still have to research mine. I drive a lot, so it might not be the greatest. And the easiest one to implement and how does it help? Inform people of the negative impact. I believe is the easiest to implement. It helps by letting people know that we must do better and inspire change. It'll go a long way. Do I already do it, and why is it the easiest? Absolutely. I always tell my friends to make good choices for the environment, as we all should, in order to keep it safe and healthy. It is the easiest thing to do because it costs no money and it takes very minimal effort. Even just picking up garbage off the ground, because an army is a lot better than one when it comes to making a change. And that's all for today. Sorry about my voice. I probably won't be sick next week, so yeah, thank you.